Okay, in this video we are going to discuss how to use quoted items. The reason that you would want to use quoted items is if a particular vendor that you are working with is giving you a discount or a deal on the whole line of that vendor, or maybe on a certain line of products, they're going to give you a better cost, a better deal on that. And so it's not going to be for everybody, it's just going to be just for you. And so we've created this ability called quoted items to be able to give you a discount or be able to lower the cost of that item. Okay, so to get started, let's log in, and we're here at the dashboard. And let's go ahead and go to Admin, Catalog and Pricing, and we'll select Quoted. Okay. So quoted items. As you can see, I've loaded in quite a few quoted items for this business here. Okay, but right here you can search by the different vendors that you have down here. Okay, you can search by item number and then click on Look Up Quotes, and you'll bring up all the quotes that you have added. Okay. So there are two different ways to be able to load and change the cost for your quoted items. Okay, so if we scroll down here, you can do it one item at a time, or you can import or delete multiple items by doing an import field. So let's walk through both of those. So let's say I want to add a single item. Okay, so let's go back to my catalog tool here. And the brand, let's say I want to edit some Christorama prices here. So I'm going to select Christorama. I've been doing really great at selling their products, and so they're going to give me quoted items on a couple of their products here. So let's pull, we're going to do it one at a time here. So let's take a look at this item number here. Okay. So my cost right now for this item is $599. Okay, so let's change that. So we're going to go here and let's add a single item. So what you do is you select the vendor that it's coming from, and it's Christorama. Item number is that, and quoted price. Okay, again, my price right now is $599. Okay. They're going to give me a nice little discount, and I'm going to be able to sell it for $4.99. Okay. This expiration date here, sometimes the vendors will say, for 30 days or for 60 days, you can get it at this quoted price. Okay. So this is where you can change the expiration date. So have it start and an end date there as well. Okay. You don't have to put in an expiration date. This is not required here. Okay. Then we have the status. You can leave it as active or disable it. Okay, we'll leave it as active, and let's add it. Okay, good deal. So now that has been added, and if we come back here, and let's close out of this actually, and let's come back here to price lookup. Bring up our catalog, and let's go brand, and let's go Christorama. Let's hit search. Okay, and let's search for our keyword here, our item number. Okay, so there's our item. As you can see, it was $5.99. Now my cost is $4.99. Okay, so that is a simple way to change your cost on your item. Now, using quoted items, you cannot increase the amount of your cost. So it was originally $5.99. In quoted items, you cannot increase that item. Quoted items is more for a discount, or the vendor is giving you a percentage off of these items at your cost. Okay, so keep that in mind, that you can, with quoted items, you can only go lower than what the current cost is. You cannot go higher. Okay, so that's one way to be able to do it. You can add it a single item at a time. Okay, or I can import or delete multiple items. Okay, so I've created a spreadsheet here. Okay, and all of these items are from Christorama. Okay, and let's say that my quote price for each of these is going to be $50. Okay, and I've added an expiration date in here as well. Okay, So I've saved it as quoted price template, and again, make sure that you save it as a .csv file, okay? So this is a great way to do a mass upload or a mass import on a bunch of items that have a quote. Now in this column, you don't need to put in the $sign, just the number will be sufficient, okay? So no need to put in the $sign there. And then just add in the exact item number, okay? Your quote price, and if it has an expiration date. Again, this is not required to have in there, but you can have it in there if you'd like, okay? And then I've saved it as a .csv, and all you have to do is click on Choose File and Import, and it will import those files for you, okay? Or those items, and it'll give you that discounted rate on your cost. So, quoted items, great way to be able to manipulate what your cost is on those items by the vendor up here, and it'll filter this. So if I wanted to take a look at just my Christorama here, I'll hit look up quotes. Okay, here's my Christorama. Here's the one that we just did just today. Is that it changed gives us our price, which that's the retail price, and then our quoted price. In bold right here, that's what we changed it to, and that was what the original cost was. Okay, so it'll stay at $4.99 until you change it. Okay, that's why putting an end date here would be nice, is because that will automatically delete that item once it gets to the expiration date. So quoted items, great feature to give you the ability to change what your cost is. And hope you've enjoyed this video today, and hope you have a great day.